How many thoracic vertebrae do we have? We have T1 here until T12, so 12 of them. Okay, so we have 7 here. We have 12 thoracic vertebrae. Okay, now the third vertebrae is, it starts with L, so the third vertebrae is called the lumbar vertebrae. And how many lumbar vertebrae do we have? L1, 2. It's not mentioned here. It's actually supposed to have 5 lumbar vertebrae. Okay, and then our fourth vertebrae is known as the sacrum. You can see that sacrum here is, it looks like one big bone, right? But it actually consists of 5, okay, small bones known as sacral that have fused together. So sacrum consists of 5, okay, small bones, okay, made up of 5 small bones. Okay, and then we have our last type of vertebrae, which is known as the coccyx. Yeah, so coccyx. Okay, now you can see here that coccyx also looks like it is one big triangle bone, right? But actually coccyx is formed by the fusion of 4 small bones known as the caudal bone. Okay, so 4 caudal bones fused together to form one larger bone known as the coccyx. Okay, so there you have it. You have 5 types of vertebrae. Okay, the first type is known as cervical. How many you have? 7 of them. And you have thoracic vertebrae, 12 of them. Lumbar vertebrae, 5. Sacrum vertebrae, 5. Coccyx vertebrae, 4. Okay, now it is important for you to not just memorize the names of the 5 types of vertebrae, but you also need to memorize the numbering here. Okay, so how I told my student is to memorize the numbering according as how you memorize phone numbers. Okay, so Pizza Hut. So let's use Pizza Hut's phone number to memorize this. Okay, so the formula here is 7125554 7125554 7125554 vertebral heart delivery. Okay, so 71212 here is 12554. So 7 is for cervical, 12 is for thoracic, 5 is for lumbar, 5 is for sacrum, and 4 is for coccyx. Okay. Alright, now our next task is to get to know each one of these vertebrae individually. Okay, so let's change another page. Okay, so here's the diagram of the the human backbone, so the human vertebral column. Okay, and you can see here 3. Okay, I have 3 different small bones here, 3 different vertebrae here. So these 3 are the first 3 vertebrae that we discussed just now. Okay, the thoracic, the cervical, thoracic,